Select 1L and 2. Get out the ratchet wrench and batch head. Turn left to tighten, right to loosen. Align with for holes. Note: install with the mark facing inwards. Tighten for screws. Tighten for screws. Install another one. Note: install with the mark facing inwards. Install for screws. Tighten for screws. Select 1R. Flip and align the holes to install the screws. Select 3 and install with the mark facing inwards. Align hole positions. Install all screws. Tighten all screws. The other one is also installed with the mark facing inwards. Install all the screws and tighten them. Select 4. Place the marks inwards and align all holes. After laying down the shelf, install all the screws and tighten them. Select 5 to put down, then select 6. Align with for holes. Then install all screws and tighten. The other 6 mark faces inwards, then tighten the mounting screws. Flip the shelf up and align it with the hole for installation. Mounting screws. Align the screws horizontally on the other side. After installing all the screws, tighten them. Select 7L. Alignment hole. Mounting screws. After installing all the screws, tighten them. Select 7R. Also align the holes to install the screws and tighten them. Before placing the powder shaker and printer, fix the foot cups and caster pads.